This is my leftover weft again. This is the size of the weft. To me, it's a little small, but there's a lot of hair on it. Like I said, this is a little bit under 3 bundles and the hair is super full. Like, look at that. Under 3 bundles, and I think this is a really good amount to have for me. My preference, this is a good amount for me. But yeah, so, and it's long length too, so 18 inches, and the bundles are a little small, but there's a lot of hair on it, which is why I was able to get away with this. Because you guys all know, or if you don't know, the longer length you have, usually the smaller the wefts are, and the shorter length you have, usually the bigger the wefts are. I don't know, that's just how most hair companies do it, but that's okay because there was a lot of hairs on the wefts, which is why it looks so full for me. The seller had great communication. She replied fast, and I understand there's a time difference.